The Supreme Court has just issued a ruling saying a transgender boy may use the boys' restroom in his school. I'm a lawyer in real life. I don't play one on television. This is a case out of South Carolina. The South Carolina legislature passed a law saying that youth must use the bathroom of their assigned sex at birth. The 14-year-old student filed a lawsuit challenging the South Carolina law, saying that it violated his constitutional right under the Equal Protection Clause, and also it violated Title IX, which says you can't discriminate in educational programs that receive federal funding. The Supreme Court did not decide this case on the merits, but they did deny the emergency petition filed by the state of South Carolina to bar this student from using the boys' restroom. They said that the state did not meet the high bar necessary for an emergency ruling. The Supreme Court has, in a roundabout way, spoken on this issue before. There was a 2020 case out of Virginia, the Fourth Circuit, where this same case is, where the Fourth Circuit said the schools could not bar a student from using the restroom of their gender identity. In that case, the state appealed the decision to the Supreme Court, but the Supreme Court denied the writ which would allow them to hear the case. So in a roundabout way, the Supreme Court allowed that decision to stand. The fact that they denied this emergency petition may mean they don't intend to disturb their prior decision where they denied the writ of certiorari. But can you guess the 3 justices who dissented in this emergency appeal? 3 justices said, we would allow the state on an emergency basis to deny this youth from using the bathroom of his gender identity. Y'all let me know in the comments who the 3 justices are that you think dissented in this case. So on this issue of whether transgender people should use the bathroom of their assigned birth, I find that that's really weird, because if you are identifying and you appear to be a different gender, but you are forced to use the bathroom for your gender at birth, that's going to cause all kinds of problems. I'll never forget one time many years ago, I had taken a red eye. I'm in the airport, and I accidentally went into the men's restroom. I didn't notice the urinals in the men's restroom. I went into this restroom, go into the bathroom, use the bathroom inside a stall, come out, I'm washing my hands, and it kind of dawns on me, there are men around me, and there are these urinals. And I was like, oh my God, I'm in the wrong bathroom. The men were surprised and were like, what the hell is going on? And I ran out of the bathroom. It was such a weird experience that I chucked it up to. I was just extremely tired and exhausted and didn't realize what I was doing. But can you imagine what's going to happen if you're transgender and you are female presenting, but you have to go to a men's restroom? So I think we're just asking for more problems by trying to enforce this. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know who you think those 3 dissenters were.